Hello everyone. I am Red Vladimir de Reyes, and I will be presenting to you the true cost of fashion. A presentation of review only. Um, I made these slides for me to discuss to you what I learned based from the video that I watched a while ago. Um, this is for our supply chain management subject. Um, and here's my pecha. Next slide. For my introduction, what is fast fashion? For me, fast fashion refers to the quick, cheap production of clothes that follow ever-changing trends. Like brands like Zara, Shein, and many more. It makes it possible to buy new styles every week. But beyond affordability and speed lies a global supply chain full of hidden supply and environmental costs. So, based on our basic definition, fast fashion is a modern retail model that delivers new clothing styles quickly and expensively to consumers. Like the brands that I said, Zara, Shein, and H&M, thrive on rapid production and high turnover. The hidden costs of fast fashion are embedded in its global supply chain. This report aims to critically analyze the true cost of fast fashion, using key supply chain concepts focusing on logical and cross-functional drivers and reflect on the environmental and social implications of the industry. For my next slide is the logistic drivers. Let's start in warehousing and distribution. Warehousing and distribution, garments are sorted and distributed through high-tech warehouses. Distribution centers use automation and demand forecasting to deliver products fast. While this improves efficiency, it supports overconsumption since stores can restock fast and encourage people to keep buying. Next is inventory management. To keep up with trends, syempre, brands use real-time inventory, tracking, and just-in-time systems. These allow quick restocks and low storage costs, but this speed demands constant pressure on suppliers and workers, leading to rush output, low quality, and frequent overproduction. And last, for our logistic drivers, is the transportation. Transportation is essential to the fast fashion model. Clothing is produced in low-cost countries and shipped worldwide, mainly by sea for bulk delivery or by air for speed. Mas mabilis pag by air. Air freight significantly increases carbon emissions, contributing to climate change and undermining sustainability efforts. For our next slide is the critical analysis. There are also two types of logistic drivers that I did not mention. It is the sourcing and procurement and the production and operations. But let's proceed to the product quality and customer service, because fast fashion products are not built to last. Poor fabric quality and rush manufacturing mean clothes fall apart quickly. Many returns are incinerated or dumped because it's cheaper than reselling. This leads to a cycle of waste and customer dissatisfaction. For our environmental impact, the fast industry is one of the largest global polluters. It produces 10% of global carbon emissions and massive textile waste. Microplastics from synthetic fibers pollute oceans, and water-intensive crops like cotton contribute to water scarcity in vulnerable regions. Next slide is the social impact. The social cost is just as severe. Factory workers face long hours, low wages, and hazardous conditions as well. Then, the 2013 Rana Plaza collapse is a tragic example. So, yun yung pinaka-tragic example na nakita ko. Then, many brands lack transparency in their supply chains, allowing labor use and child labor to go unchecked. So, future trends and challenges. So, I'll just read what I made. The fashion industry is now under pressure to adopt more sustainable models. So, emerging solutions include circular fashion, slow fashion, and digital supply chain tools for transparency. However, challenges like consumer demand for low prices and the complexity of global supply chains remain barriers. For our last is the conclusion. So, fast fashion is convenient and affordable. Yes, but the hidden costs are paid by exploited workers and our environment. So by understanding the supply chain, we see how we see how every purchase we do plays a part, no? So the future depends on ethical sourcing, sustainable choices, and consumer awareness as well. So real change starts with accountability. So for our last is I will just read what I made here in the PowerPoint presentation again. The true cost of fast fashion lies far beyond its price tags. While it offers accessibility and style, it imposes significant environmental and human costs. A responsible and sustainable supply chain, one that values transparency, ethical sourcing, and circularity is essential. So, both brands and consumers play a critical role in transforming the industry from one based on exploitation to one rooted in sustainability. So, thank you. That's all for today. Again, this is the true cost of fast fashion, a supply chain management perspective. I am Red Vladimir Reyes, and this is for my subject supply chain management. Thank you. Oh,